There's no question Disney can produce unbelievable nighttime entertainment. In fact, they're one of the best at it in the world. But Mickey's Mix Magic is awful. And before you call us haters, hear us out and we'll break it down for you. Disneyland's official website describes this as a high-energy show celebrating Disney's legendary duo Mickey and Minnie Mouse. They're kidding, right? Mickey has been the hallmark of the Walt Disney Company for 90 years. He has a rich history that spans decades, and this is all they've come up with? Even Disneyland Paris' pre-show is better than this.
I only hope that we never lose sight of one thing, that it was all started by a mouse.
Disney's first mistake was abandoning what works. Disney prides itself on being timeless, a brand that reaches multiple generations and never gets old. And that formula has worked. It's why we still celebrate and know who Mickey is today. It's why their classics never go out of style. Unfortunately, Disney tried to go trendy here, and it's not resonating well. Disney's nighttime spectaculars used to be known for their beautiful scores, synchronized fireworks, and an emotional connection that followed you home. The current show lacks everything. And the new name, Mickey's Mix Magic, wouldn't Mickey's Magical Mix make more sense and flow better? Anyways, while the projection, spotlights, and lasers are much improved, they shouldn't be the whole show. Unfortunately, they are, because all other elements in a nighttime spectacular are either lacking or non-existent. And the projections, for that matter, aren't that good either. Disneyland Forever and Pixar's Together Forever projections were much better. The lack of fireworks is obviously a huge disappointment. Fireworks create the perfect ending to your day at Disney, and it's just not the same without them. While they are present in the video you are watching, Disneyland will only be shooting them off on the weekends, not during the week. Aside from the non-existent story, lack of fireworks, and no emotional connection, the show's greatest flaw is the music. These song choices are terrible. I mean, Everyone Wants to Be a Cat, I Want to Be Like You, and of course, Let It Go, because Disney has to continue to shove Frozen down our throats. These songs have nothing to do with Mickey, which this whole show was supposed to celebrate, and the mixed versions of these songs are terrible. Your local radio station can do a better job of mixing Disney songs. It's not exactly minutes. Lastly, the show's main theme song just doesn't fit. It sounds like it belongs on Disney Channel and not in a Disney park. Where are those classic Disney songs with a huge choir belting out the chorus? What you just saw is Disney magic. What you're about to see is Disney tragic. Thanks for watching. Tell us what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.